Hi Dressy Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw Stella Monroe from Rainbow High Dolls. So let's get started. To draw this cute fashion doll, let's first start by drawing her face. So we're going to come right here and basically draw bottom of a U. So come right across, about right here, not too wide. And do the same thing and connect in the center. So I'm going to try to make it a little bit sharper. So come back to my center, about right here, and then go up. There. So just something like this. We're going to have a curve for her face. Then let's come back up here next, close to the edge, and I'm going to draw a circle. And same thing on the other side, about right here. There, now that I have my circles in, I'm going to come in here with two small circles for highlights and a curved line at the bottom and shade in the top. And lines at the bottom, and same thing over here. From there, now that we have the eyes in, let's spruce them up with some lashes. So I'm going to come right here and draw a main lash. It's a nice long thick one, and at the top I'll add another one, and at the bottom another one. So same thing here, just spruce it up with one thick long one and two more. Then from there we're going to add some on the bottom as well. So maybe just three small little ones right here. And then now her brow. So I'm going to come up about right here, and I'm just going to draw a soft arc and thicken it up. And same thing on the other side, about right there, soft arc and thicken it up. And then her lips, like all of the fashion dolls that I've drawn so far. Let's come to the center. Let's see here, let's come about right here. I'm just going to start with a curve that goes up, and then I'm going to smooth it out, coming out and out with a slight curve. And then let's go to the top right here, and we're just going to draw the top lip, and at the bottom lip right here, and then in the center I'm just going to fill in that space. So the reason I started right in the center is just so I can make sure my lips are nice and centered. Okay, now that we have that, let's go ahead and draw the rest of her hair at the top. So I'm just imagining an oval. So let's come about, say, right here. I'll just give myself a point right in the center. From there, I'm going to start with a curve that comes down to frame her face. Nice tall curve and back down to where you started. Then from there I'm going to go straight up, so say about right here, give myself a point, and I'm going to draw two curves that come out from that point. So come up, and same thing on the other side. So this is where her hair parts. Now I'll just come in here, lightly draw a center line. Then from there we're going to bring this down, bring a curve down, and I'll stop about right there, and same thing over here. Then from there, in this area right here, I'm going to draw the band where her pigtails are going to start. So draw a band right there, and I'll come draw this curve first. I'm going to bring it up, come down, and right close to her face. So just imagine this is hitting her face, and then it's just going to curve right out So then whatever space I have left, I'm just going to go ahead and finish the hair right there. So then let's do the top part. Let's go up nice and high, and we'll start to bring it down and curve. So we're just creating this nice long strand. From there, let's do the same thing on the other side. So right here. Create that band, go up. So just drag this across since I'm drawing pretty big, just approximate. So approximate, same height, and then down. And once again, right here, we're going to draw that curve that comes down and hits the face. Right here. And swings out. And just like the other side, I'm just going to give it a little curve. Okay, so then for some details, let's come right here. And I'm just going to draw some lines right here. You can do this when you're coloring as well if you don't want the harsh black line. And same thing here. It's always so harsh with a Sharpie, right? Okay, so we have that in. That one a little bit longer. From there, let's work on her body before we finish the rest of her hair. So I'm going to come right in the center. So say about right here. Well, actually, you know what? Let's come about right here first and draw her shoulder. Sorry. So I'm just going to draw this curve that comes down, but just give it a tiny wobble because we need to draw this fur coat thing that she has going on, right? So I'm going to wobble my lines a little just to make it look more furry. And so then about right here in the center, I'm going to do the same thing. Just wobble my lines. But I'm creating a curve that's coming out. There. So now I'm going to imagine her armpit's going to be about right here and here. Give myself 2 points. And from there, I'm going to wobble, zigzag this curve that comes out. And same thing here. Nice puffy fur coat. Okay, so then from there, let's come back in here so we know how far to bring our jacket. I'm going to come right here, do a curve. And let's see, and so then let's say her body, let's say about right here. Draw another curve for her top. And I'll come and follow that with another curve for her skirt. And so now we know that's her skirt. We're going to bring this down a little bit more. And say about right there. I'll go ahead and stop, and then I'm going to continue and connect around this way. So same thing here. There, so hopefully that's looking like a fur coat. There, so then about in this space right here in between, I'm just going to go ahead and draw a curve for indication of her skirt. Then we can go ahead and draw her legs, so right in the center. Give myself 2 points and come right here and here. So I'll work on this leg first. Nice and straight and long. So we're just aiming to get thinner as we come down. There, and let's say about right there, I'm going to stop and I'm going to start to flare it out for her feet. And round it off. And then right here, give her some chunky heels. And connect. And so same thing over here. It's always a little bit smoother on this side, so because now I know where I'm going. And same thing on this side. Okay, so once again, we're going to flare it out a little bit. Go all the way down and connect. And then once again, the heels. And then for some details, let's come in here. Let's see, about right here, I'm going to start with a curve and another curve. And then she has another strap right here. And then the ankle part, we're going to put in one more strap. So same thing on the other side. There, we have her shoes in. So then I'm going to pop this out a little bit. Just so we know this is a strap that goes over her ankles. And now we can go ahead and finish her top. So let's draw her sleeves right here. Once again, wobble. And I'm going to end it about right here. And so right here, I'm going to round it off and connect. And then for her hands, nice and simple, we're just going to pop them out right here. A thumb, right there. And then the fingers are going to come angle, angle down, and back up. Nice little hands. Maybe a little too small. Here, I'll make them a little bit bigger. Okay, then from there, same thing on the other side. So right there. So this jacket, this coat that she has on reminds me of the one I drew for Violet. So hopefully you love these dolls. And so once again, same thing. Finger, thumb, and then fingers. And connect. There. Okay, so then for some detail, let's bring this up. And about right here, I'm going to add a curve. And she has some details on her jacket, so I'm just going to simplify it. So about right here, is this kind of band, shiny black and gold band that goes in here. And so same thing over here. And also on here as well. So about right here. And for some details, let's come in here and I'll just block it in. There. And last but not least, I'm gonna try my best to add a little heart right here. Thin heart. And so now, let's see. I almost forgot her hair. Oh my goodness, I thought I was done. Okay, so let's get back and draw her hair. So let's bring this down. These beautiful strands. So right here, I'm just gonna draw one strand that curves up, then connect it. And then let's just finish it off right here, some curves. And so same thing on the other side, just to make it a little bit easier. And connect, and once again, so about right here. Just finish off the strand, and if you like, you can draw some these curves in here as well for some details. So they're all done with my drawing of Stella Monroe here from Rainbow High Dolls, and I really hope you love her just as much as all the other dolls I've drawn so far. Thanks so much for watching, and if you loved it, please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you